5 square, for example, means 5 power 2, right? You see, 5 power 2 is equal to 25. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to C++ programming language lesson. In this video, we are going to write C++ program to print power of any number. For example, when we take 2 power 3, we get 8. So we are going to write a program that perform like this task, right? So to do this, we need 3 variables. We have to declare base as integer, power as integer, and f which is equal to 1, because we are going to use multiplication operation, and you know that when we take 1 multiply with any number, we get any number. That's why here you have to feel free, don't challenge it by this one, right? So, and then we have to enter the base, ask user to enter the base. So, and then we have also to read this base, and also we need the power, so we enter power, right? And then see in power. So after we get base and the power, we are going now to find the power of this number by using for loop statement, right? Now for int I, which is equal to 1, I must less than or equal to this power, right? And then I must be increment. So in this case, we have now to find our power represented by this f, which is equal to f multiplied with just b, which is base, right? Like this base, you see. Now here, as I said when we take f times base, it's just to take first time we take 1 times base. This means that there is no change. It will be start when I start to increment, means when f start to vary, right? So this is formula used to print out the power of a given number by using for loop statement, right? So after this, we have now to display our power, right? By using count statement as usual. Count, we can write like this: base power width, let me put here also space power width, power, it's like to write 2 power 3, right? Then is equal to, let me put other space here, is equal to, is equal to, you see, is equal to, equal sign here, then space our power, right? Which is represented by this f. You see, it's like to write base power, then our power is equal to that result, right? So but here this space is not necessary. We can treat it like this, right? So let me save it and run it. Yeah, now let us first make a compilation here to check for errors. You see here there is errors. Let us check. Here we have to put here semicolon instead of double dot, right? So here we have also to put here this symbol, right? These are errors, right? So you see now there is no error. We can run our program. Once we run our program, we are asked to enter the base. Let us enter like a 2, as I showed you in example, 2 power 3. You see, 2 power 3 is equal to 8, right? So you can find another different numbers with powers. For example, 5 square, for example, means 5 power 2, right? You see, 5 power 2 is equal to 25. So this is our today's task. I hope everyone is able to write this program. If not, please let me know in the comment section and try to address your questions so as I can help you in order to reach to full understanding of this program and other logics behind for loop control statement. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.
We'll be right back.